You got it. Yeah, you got it. You got it. No problem. Turn your wheel. You can probably get it. You got a differential lock?
No. Let me try it right there.
Yeah, you could get it. Just punch it. Nice. That's so tight. The mighty Pajero.
Yeah, this used to be a lot muddier.
Tear it up, dude. Oh, yes. That's just gonna make it more fun for me. Nick! Hey dude, back up to this thing. I bet you could get up.
Think so?
I think so. I think if you come over here though, that's a little too steep.
That's muddy over there.
Yeah, dude, you got 3 wheels at one point.
Really?
Yeah. In the meantime, my exhaust pipe is filled with mud. Which probably isn't good. Should probably clear that out.
My exhaust isn't gonna hit.
My exhaust pipe's full of mud. I need to clear it out. I don't see your... go ahead slowly. Oh, oh. Bumper, yeah. Didn't do anything, you know, but... Alright, dude.